All right, WMC, sorry for the delay here. This is the video to find the winner of my Aaron Jones 16 by 20. This is number 4, I think. Is it 4 or 3? Yep, number 4. Okay. All right, so we will check the time, November 18th at 8:51 p.m. I'm going to go over to the Raz and type live, and we've got November 18th at 8:51 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Joe. Spot 1 is your winner. So, Joe, please message me to collect your Jones. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 18th, 8:52 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.